As N2NCU Christian University continues to transform churches across Central Africa, Pastor Claresina Muzigama tells us of the wonderful changes taking place in his community. He says, "At the start of N2NCU, the students were critical of those who belonged to different churches or denominations. God used N2NCU to bring a change of heart in our students. He broke down the wall of segregation within the church." Now, Pastor Claire tells us, as the students of N2NCU, the pastors and deacons go to their churches with the spirit of all believers being united for a common cause, fighting a common enemy, segregation and criticism are losing their place. In unity, our students are using their training to extend their ministries beyond their church building walls. As they put their lessons on effective livestock care into action, they are improving their lives. Pastor Claire says, "Our animals would fall sick, and we would just wait for whatever happens. But now we know how to take good care of them." Because of their courses on reforestation and erosion prevention, they are planting trees on their barren hills to restore the land. Pastor Claire's testimony shows God at work uniting the church for a common cause and bringing restoration to communities.